Currently 7:36 a.m. here in Seoul, South Korea. Just waking up to these subtle vibrations on my Apple Watch Ultra. And now it's time to get up, brush my teeth, and go work out. We're starting off the day at 100% battery health. And we're just going to track the entire day today with the workouts, the steps, the activity levels, and see where we end up the day at. It's actually pretty cold today. It's 7 degrees. And it goes all the way up to 14 later on. No, 17 later on. It's gonna be my third workout in Seoul, South Korea, and just look at that view. Take a look at that view, wow. All right, so let's start off with some cardio. I would do like 25 minutes on the treadmill. Let's track it using the Apple Watch Ultra and see exactly how much battery we lose. Right now we're at 100% battery health. Alright, so I just completed a running/walking session right now for about half an hour, and currently we're recording on the iPhone 14 Pro, and I'm aligning the shot via my Apple Watch. So the Apple Watch Ultra has like a pretty large display, so all of the screen real estate to just record your video is fantastic. So these past 2 days we've been walking around how many steps per day? 26,000 steps per day on average. So today we're going to try to beat that, right? Yeah, 30,000? Right, so 30,000 steps walking all over South Korea. We're currently based in Seoul right now. Yeah, we're gonna check out of our hotel at 11 o'clock, and then we're gonna check into another hotel. Where is it? In Myeongdong. But first, after we work out, we gotta get McDonald's for breakfast. So we just wrapped up our workout right now, burned about 400 calories, gotten 4,500 steps, which is pretty good. But the goal today is to beat 30,000 steps, which my wife thinks is possible. But
well, it's possible for me because I'm not as big as you.
What does that mean? We both take the same amount of steps.
Actually, no, it takes me more steps than it takes you because you're taller.
I don't think that's accurate.
It is, and I also walk faster.
Anyways, the Apple Watch Ultra is right now sitting at 99% after one workout, so battery life on this thing is an absolute beast. All right, so just took a quick shower, and now we're gonna head out to find McDonald's for breakfast. And I'm pretty sure I know where it is.
No, you don't.
It's about a 10-minute walk from here, and it's pretty cold today in South Korea. It's currently 7 degrees. Waiting on the wife. And masks are still mandatory here in South Korea, so indoor and so all indoor places do require masks, so we're just wearing our masks to abide by the policy. We found the Burger King, but we're looking for McDonald's breakfast, so still a ways to go to find McDonald's. And I'm already at 34 minutes of my activity goal, when in totality my activity goal per day is just 40 minutes per day. But here in South Korea I've been crushing it, getting around 60-70 minutes per day. Our checkout is at 11. McDonald's breakfast menu ends at 10:20. Right now it's 9:40, so we're gonna go to McDonald's, get a quick breakfast, and then walk all the way back to our hotel, check out, and check into another hotel. So a pretty hectic day, and currently we're at 478 calories burned, 38 minutes of activity, and battery life is at 98%, so not bad for all of the activity tracking. We did it, we finally found the McDonald's that we weren't able to find yesterday. Now let's try some Korean breakfast from McDonald's. Let's see. Sausage, egg McGriddle, pretty basic stuff that we had back home. But let's see. I'm doing Apple Watch Ultra video, hello. I can't be drinking vanilla latte here.
pretending to your audience? That's great.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to avoid sugar and lose weight on vacation. Even on vacation, guys, I'm dedicated.
No, you're not.
That's how dedicated I am
Don't
to
try to
losing
be.
weight.
Don't try to be.
I got a brand new Apple Watch, so I gotta, play the part. So the total came to 16,001, which is around like $14 Canadian. And we got a lot of stuff here. So we got like a sausage and egg McMuffin, a drip coffee, a hash brown, a deluxe breakfast. That's what I got. And I did get the vanilla latte medium. I ended up caving. Gotta try it here, we were in Korea. And I also got a bacon and egg Meg griddle. Food's ready. And if you order coffee for here, it comes in a mug, not a to-go container. 감사합니다. And the McDonald's here is actually fast. Like, fast food here is actually quick. It takes like 5 minutes. It took like 2 minutes to get our order. Where back in Canada, it literally takes like 15 minutes to get an order this big. So we got an English muffin here, an egg, a sausage, and a few pancakes. So let's eat. All right, so just finished breakfast, and now we gotta head back to the hotel and check out before 11 a.m. Right now it's currently 10 a.m. So we have an hour to get back to the hotel, check out, and check into our new hotel.
I have a confession.
What confession?
Checkout's actually at 12, but because you move at such a slow pace, I told you it was 11.
What? I ate so quickly because of you. All right, so checkout's really at 12, so we have 2 hours now. I ate super quickly.
Yeah, finally. You're so slow all the time.
Oh my goodness, started choking and everything. The crazy thing is we already met our activity goal for the day and it's just 10 a.m. So it's 10 a.m. and we already got 41 minutes of exercise and 513 calories burned. Gotta carry this suitcase up this entire flight of stairs. Like my wife doing it. We finally made it to the hotel, which is on like a huge hill. Quickly checking in on the Apple Watch. We're currently at 764 calories burned, 61 minutes of exercise, and the battery life is sitting at 90%. We've already walked 10,342 steps, or 7.81 kilometers, and the day's just begun. It's just 12 p.m. right now, so should be a very interesting day in the life video. All right, wife, so what is the itinerary for the day?
Okay, so we're gonna start off with Namsan Hanak Village and Namsan Park, which we're actually right next to. So I think it's just like a 5-minute walk down the street.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna end the day at Insadong Street, because they have like street food and all that stuff going on. So we gotta visit.
All right, so which watch are you using?
The Samsung one?
Samsung Galaxy Watch 5.
Sure.
And what do you like about this watch?
It's round.
It's round. Do you like the Apple Watch better or this one better?
Mine.
Why?
Because yours looks bulky and it's a square.
Mine looks bulky and it's a square?
Yeah.
But people like this one a lot better.
Because they're weird.
It has more battery life. It has
I don't
3 days
care.
of battery
I like
life.
mine better.
Okay. She'll always be a Samsung lover.
Hate Apple.
Why do you hate Apple?
Don't like Apple at all. So
What's wrong
annoying.
with Apple?
So annoying.
I swear every single street here is just uphill walking. Like I've been walking uphill for like 2 minutes now straight. My calves are on fire. So this is apparently called the National Trail of Humiliation. And my wife thinks she's so funny because she wants me to walk down this trail. Found a random elliptical here in the middle of the park. Whoa, that's actually crazy. Oh, wow. What is this? What the heck is this? What the heck is this? This is like an outdoor like gym sort of. You can do like your cardio, you can do your pull-ups. You can do your abdominal, you can crack your back on this. All right, so I got tired, but my wife is still working out. I can't believe she's still working out, but I'm totally exhausted. Already walked 11,000 steps and it's only 12:30 p.m. So Let's take a quick check-in on our watch right now. 982 calories, 80 minutes of exercise, and how many steps have we burned? 12,708 steps, almost 10 kilometers, and it's only 12:57 p.m. Still got the entire day to go ahead of us, so we're definitely going to be 30,000 steps it seems. So a notification came up to record my outdoor walk, so I guess we'll record it. So far I've been walking for 14 minutes, burned 120 calories, and my heartbeat's at 119 beats per minute. Wow, I've seen quite a few Teslas over here, and it's making me miss my Tesla back home.
We haven't seen a charger anywhere.
A charger? Yeah. We still haven't seen any superchargers anywhere, so I guess I'll park at home. Oh my goodness, another set of stairs. Wow, look at the scenery though. Just look at this view. I swear Korean people are so fit. It's because they just walk everywhere and take the subway. What is this, a shrine?
Seoul Tower. Not everything is a shrine.
Seoul Tower. We came up all the way up here for Seoul Tower. Just using my watch as a viewfinder to take the shot. And I just love how big the display is. This is a 49mm watch. I know that the watch looks awkward on my wrist, but I really don't care. I could care less because this watch is incredible. I love the display and the battery life seems to be so good. But take a look at Seoul Tower. This right here is Seoul Tower. And we walked all the way up here. 1,154 calories burnt, 103 minutes of exercise, and I see the steps. 15,300 steps already, and it's only 1:30 p.m. So we're definitely going to be beating 30,000 steps. And the battery life is sitting at 85%. So we lost about 15% since 8 a.m. this morning. So I just can't believe in the home of Samsung, I'm doing a review on the Apple Watch Ultra. Like in the home of Samsung, I'm doing this. So I'm not sure if that's rude or not, but hopefully the South Korean residents don't mind. But a fun fact is though that everywhere I go, even on the subway or the train, everyone seems to be using an iPhone, and which is actually pretty shocking to me because this is the home of Samsung. So I'm not sure what all of that is about, but it does seem like Apple is getting popularity in Korea, especially amongst the younger population, 18 to 30 years old. They all seem to be using an iPhone. Bruh, the vending machine just took our money. It took 1,001.
Which is like 80 cents.
Which is like 80 cents, but it took our money and didn't give us anything in return. I'm so sad, I'm so thirsty. We can't even call anybody or anything because we can't speak Korean.
You can.
You can't speak Korean either. Oh my goodness, just take a look at this view. Oh my goodness, wow. Look at that. That is crazy. I finally got my hands on a drink. What is this called? Peach? It's a demi soda, peach soda. So I'm gonna try this for the first time here. How many calories is this?
100.
100 calories. All right, so I just took a quick break in the hotel. The time is currently now 3:25 p.m. and
Quick break.
a quick break, yeah. It was like 20 minutes. Just to like rest my feet after walking.
You've been resting all day.
After walking 18,000 steps, okay?
I've been
That's a lot of
traveling
steps.
alone.
That's a lot of steps. And I burned 1,300 calories, which is way more than I burn at home. Quick update on the Apple Watch Ultra. We are at 80%. 80%. And we have so far walked a total of 17,434 steps. And the day is not over yet. So we're gonna definitely beat 30,000.
Whoop-dee-dee.
What do you think? Whoop-dee-dee. And some like crazy Korean marketplace. Why is this guy honking at me? I'm just trying to get my steps in. Another set of stairs to eat dinner. I think I walked like 35 steps of stairs today. Wow, it's actually a really nice place. Okay, take a look at this menu. Sweet corn cheese chicken galbi, half and half chicken galbi, charcoal grilled chicken galbi. Wow. We're gonna finish eating here and walk 10,000 steps.
Yeah.
After I've already walked 18,000 steps today.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Okay.
So we're walking to 10,000 steps.
All right.
Then that 10,000 steps will have.
The food has arrived and it's on this like metal hot dish, which is actually very hot. And it's like fried rice chicken. It looks really good, spicy. And the utensils are actually in here. Just open this up and the utensils come out. It's pretty cool. So we have chopsticks and have some forks. Oh, spoon.
8개.
Alright guys, so we're back in the hotel now. I am completely exhausted. My feet are on fire. So in total we burned 1,700 calories, 133 minutes of exercise, and we didn't quite get 30,000 steps, but we were close. In total we walked 25,318 steps, which is 18.05 kilometers. And I've been doing this for 3 days in a row now, so my feet are on absolutely fire. The time is currently 8 o'clock p.m. and we're ending the day off with 71% battery health. So overall, this watch has some really good battery life. I mean, really good battery life. And this isn't like a typical day of usage, so on a more typical day where I walk around 10,000 steps, I'm pretty sure the battery life would have been a lot better, like around 86%. But yeah, that's been a day in the life video with the Apple Watch Ultra here in Seoul, Korea. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, make sure you do drop a like on this video, and of course subscribe to the channel for more content just like this.